What it do? It's your boy CincereB. Time for a new unboxing. We have the Munchpak for October. And for those who don't know who Munchpak is, it is a subscription services that sends you every month a box of snacks from around the world pretty much. So let's get into it. Okay. Oh, that's funny. Person who put this box together is Elizabeth. My wife's name is Elizabeth. It says made with love. So you get a card like this in every box and it tells you who, for the employee, put your box together. So that's pretty cool. And on the back, you can enter to win a free family pack. So you just gotta share, take a picture, and use hashtag Munchpak to get a chance to win. So it looks inside. Got some paper in there that I'll put to the side. Got my fan on. I'll turn my fan off. There we go. All right, this is how it looks. A lot of stuff. It looks like it. Start getting into it. Put this side here. And I'm just gonna blind grab. So we have some Rip Rose. This is from Thailand. Rip Rose watermelon. It's a candy. And it's from Thailand, which I've been to Thailand. Thailand's a nice place. It's fat-free. Intense fruit juice flavor. So go and check it out. It's like a roll-up. Long roll up, let's go. Like a lot of sugar on it, or either it's sour. Let's find out. Tastes like an apple Jolly Rancher. It's sweet, but it tastes really like apple, like a green, kind of like a sour, sweet apple. Really good. Aftertaste, a little suspect, but when you first start biting it, really strong apple flavor. Not bad. Next, we have Delicious Toast. Delicious Toast. I don't know how I say that. I think that's in Spanish. This is from Brazil. How you pronounce that?
Deliciosos. Delicitos.
There you go. All right, so I'm not sure what this has in it though. Oh, crunchy puff snacks bites flavored with fresh peppers. So it's a puff snack bite flavored with peppers. Interesting. From Brazil. Okay. That's the way it look. The air puffs. Hollow inside. So like jalapeno peppers. This is good. Wow. It's actually pretty good. Not pica, not spicy, but good. Light jalapeno flavor, a little salt, and like I said, it's hollow inside, so real when you bite, it's crushed, but it's nice and kind of soft and not hard and solid. So it's good. That's really good. What else you got here? Whoa. This is from Turkey. Sour duds, sour apple flavor, sour straws. A lot of sour. It's gonna be sour. So this is sour dudes, sour straws, sour apple flavor. That's the title. That's a lot of sour in there. This is gonna be like very sour. And remember the date, a lot of these do come with the date. So it says best by March 2020. So it does give you a date on it in case you worry about it being spoiled or whatever. It is made with real fruit juice. And yeah, let's see what turkey doing. Never been to Turkey before. And now we go in there. All right, so it's long. Here we go. Not as strong apple taste as this one, but you can't taste the apple. It's like a really firm Twizzler. Actually looks hollow. It is. It's hollow in the center. It has a flavor of something I want to say. I just can't think of it right now. It's an apple taste to it. It's not sour at all though. Maybe very, very lightly. But not bad, but not as good, as favorable as these though. So, not bad turkey, not bad. Next, uh-oh, I feel juice, oh boy. Ooh, a pickle. From the US, yeah, US, we got a pickle, yo. I love these pickles in the bag. These are Rick and Marty's dill flavor. Pickle Rick from the US of A. There you go. I haven't had one of these in these plastic bags in a long time. Tear here. No refrigerator needed. Okay, I'm gonna try to tear it without spilling the juice of it damn where. We did it. Okay, here we go. It's a good pickle. I haven't had one of these in a very long time. My wife's gonna be happy with this. She'll look at me right now like, This is really good, man. But if you're from the States, you already had these before, even back in the day, or currently, you already know that's gonna be good already. Now I gotta put this away without getting wasting it. Give me a tissue. Thanks. That was a good USA pickle right there. All right, let's move on. All yours. Next, we have Taiwan. We have some Hai Chu grapefruit flavor. Hai Chu. I think we have Hai Chu here, don't we? Anyway, this is from Taiwan. Never been to Taiwan either. I have been to Korea and all that over there, but not Taiwan. Let's see what this is all about. You alright? Let's see. Let's go ahead and undo this. Alright, it's individually wrapped. Candy, little chewy candies. Grapefruit, not bad. It's good. Don't taste really sweet. The grapefruit don't overpower it. It's a nice, soft, balanced flavor. I like these. Taiwan, y'all doing it up. Pretty good, Taiwan. And I got two this time. Spit it out, not because it's bad, it's a chewy, so I'll be chewing it for 20 minutes. Next, this is from Malaysia. Wow, we got Eggo strawberry jam biscuit cookies. Eggo strawberry jam biscuit cookies from Malaysia. Wow. Let's open these up. Let's see what we got, y'all. Oh, okay. That's cool. You kind of see through it. Like the center has some strawberry in it, but not through the whole cookie. So you have like a little view you can see. Let me see if the others are like this too. It is. Looks like they did it on purpose. Okay. Let's give it a try. These are from Malaysia again. Mmm. Mmm. Pretty good. It seems like it's between two cookies and some jelly in it. So you got crackers. If you put like strawberry jelly on crackers, that's what it tastes like. But the cookie is the cookie. Mmm. This is good. All right, Malaysia. I see you doing your thing. I see you doing your thing. Next. Ooh. From Japan. I've been to Japan. Nice place. These are Hello Panda strawberry flavor. Crunchy and adorable cookies with strawberry cream. Nice box container. Kids will love it. Container. Let's see if we get up in this here without messing the box up too much. It's a really fun box to get. You want this to with your family, whatever. It's a nice thing to have. I can sit down together and taste it, and you can share it with your friends. Cool box to get. The box I have now, I think it's $22 a month. They have two more other sizes that are bigger, I think, cost a little bit more. I believe they have a few more different kind of stuff now, like a healthier one to have now. And oops, all right, here we go. All right. Oh, you got little pandas. Oh, almost lost it. You got little pandas on each cookie. Let's go ahead and taste it up. Mmm. It tastes like a rich cracker with sweet cream cheese on it. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. All right, Japan. I see you. It's exactly like a rich cracker with some sweet cream cheese. That's good. That's nice and mellow. Mmm. That's tasty. Next, we have from South Korea. All right, we have some crunchy wafers with a sweet and savory cheese flavor. Okay. It's from North Korea. All right. I like wafers, vanilla wafers. You like vanilla wafers? I do too. Oh, this is how it comes. It's gonna be a mess. It's gonna be a hot mess. On their wafers, they're very they break a lot easily. They crumble a lot. Here they come like this. Oh wow. Okay, so here we go. I do one more to make sure. Kind of plain. The cheese inside don't taste cheesy. More of like a cream, but it's okay. But it's kind of plain. Sorry, South Korea. It's not bad, but not my favorite. All right, we got two more items left. This is from the Philippines. Been to Philippines. Nice place. These are pillows. These are crunchy pillows. Crackers filled with sweet and savory purple. What? Purple yawn filling. What? That's what it says. Oh no, we gotta see about this one, yo. But here's the packaging. All right, let's get up in this. Ooh, childproof. Oh, wow. They made sure I tampering with this, huh? Woo. Well, it's a hard bag to open. All right. Whoa, it's purple, yo. It's purple, y'all. I don't know about this one. This whole thing is purple. You probably can't see the color too well. I ain't turned the light on here, but I forgot to turn the lights on. But it is purple, y'all. The same color as this bag right here. Woo, let's go for it. All right, Philippines. Yo. This is my Cocoa Puffs. It tastes good. The taste doesn't have anything to do with the coloring, the purple. It's not grape or anything like that. It tastes like Cocoa Puffs for some reason. Cocoa Puffs that have been soaking in milk. That's my best description for it, yo. It is good though. I actually like these. Okay, Philippine. CincereB, Nugget, I see you. Last but not least, we got some wrap snacks. Or conveniently, it's wrap snacks, wavy, little boosties, Louisiana hot. Wavy potato. Ain't no little boosty has its own chips, y'all. It's US. It's US. I did not know Little Boosie's had its own chips. But yeah, nice bag. That's a cool bag. Got a picture of the back of it. Last one for the US of A. You got that much chips in this whole bag. Half. That's what we do here. Take it out. Get a big one, yo. If I get a big one. That's the big to get. Yeah, here we go. Wavy. Louisiana heat. Should be hot. Let's hope. Got some heat. Very salty though. But the more you eat these, oh, they got the heat. My head, all this here is hot right now. It's warm, but they're good though. All right, Boosie, I see you. Okay. Okay, Boosie, I see you. Now, these are not bad, but I'll tell you right now, they're really, really salty. A really salty taste to them. But if you're not really a problem with that, then yeah. These are really good and got some really nice kick to it. So my favorites would be these boosters, the pillows, the rip rolls, and these delicious, whatever you call them. These are my favorites right now. Other than that though, still a great box, still a great item to get. A good way to taste things that's around the world that you may not never been to visit. It's a good way to see what they're eating over there. Again, this is the Munchpak. I'll leave a link down below for you to find out where you can go and actually get you one of these. You want to subscribe to it. You can each subscription, you can subscribe to it, you can cancel it anytime, you can delay it, so you can say, well, I want next month's to be missed. You can miss a couple of months, and then you can pick it back up. So really flexible payment options they have for the Munchpak. So leave a comments down below, like the video, heart the video, put this on my Instagram. First time I've done this on Instagram, so we'll be on Instagram also, plus my YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed the video. It's your boy CincereB. Keep snacking. Well, kind of, if you're able to, but, you know, not too much, though. I see you real soon, y'all. I'm out of here. Peace.